Good morning, Elena. Where are we going?
We're gonna go to an ancient city, and we're gonna wear Thai clothes.
Yeah.
And after that, we're gonna go back to the Airbnb, and then after that, we're gonna go on a cruise.
Oh yeah. Are you excited? Let's go. We woke up super early. Last night there was a big storm, right? It was pretty crazy. And then we were like, oh shoot, what if it's hell rain tomorrow? Yes. Look at the sky.
It's nice and clear,
Yes.
a little bit of cloud.
Yes.
So we have a little bit of shade. It's perfect.
Yay. Are you
Yes.
excited?
I'm so excited.
For the ancient city or for the cruise?
I'm more excited for Ancient City because I'm hoping I get to dress up today.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, the elephant, man, Malu.
Let's go.
So we have finally made it to Ancient City. We've been here a couple months ago, I believe. I think it was like last year. But we didn't vlog over here. For some reason, we just forgot to vlog over here. But it's basically like a giant park that is filled with different types of temples, such as maybe temples from like Ayutthaya, the Grand Palace. Like it's basically like a small version of all of the popular temples here in Thailand.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, kapunka. Thank you.
So we just checked in and we also rented some golf carts, a 6-seater. It's 500 baht to rent and 300 baht for every hour. Oh, 6-seater, you sit in the back. 2 people will sit in the back.
Oh, nice.
All right. Whenever you're renting like a car or motorbike or something, you always want to make sure you take a picture of it. So that way you have proof that, you know, you haven't done any damage to it, or, you know, just in case they kind of come up with some sort of story, that you have proof to back you up.
Hey, do you feel royal?
Yes, I finally do feel royal.
And your prince is right next to you.
He is a brother.
He is a pea.
He is a brother. My king is waiting for me at home.
Oh.
My king.
I was gonna say a temple. Sheesh. There's a couple temples.
Hey, where are we?
Hey,
Looking beautiful. All right, we are at our first little stop over here at this little temple. It's super golden. Super golden and bright and beautiful. It's very nice to come over here and take photos. Yeah, if you guys want to come here when there's not a lot of people, you got to be here right when they open at 9 a.m. You know how it goes when you're with families, right? Pictures time all day.
Pictures all day, man.
She's happy, guys. Natai, she's happy. She's in her happy place. Oh. She's happy. Yeah. Everybody's like taking pictures and recording. And this girl is alone.
How's it, Elena?
It's hot.
It's really hot, huh? Do you regret wearing the Thai clothes?
Yeah.
Yeah. So why are we over here and not with your family?
The sun's over there.
Sun's over there?
Yeah. But the sky's really pretty. Look at
Yeah,
it.
it's pretty clear, huh?
Yes.
Really clear.
We're having a good day.
Oh yeah. Oh, look, Dad. Dad, go for that. Whoa.
What's scary? Where'd you go?
There, you go check it out.
That's scary?
Yeah.
All right, we are going in a ghost museum. Yeah, those California haunted house does not beat this. This is like legit. Yeah, Kelly's not gonna be able to come here for sure.
No.
She is not going to.
How does it feel be the tour guide. It's alright, right?
It's alright, it's not too bad. I mean, if I'm not the main videographer or photographer, then yeah, I'm cool.
Yeah, I just felt like we got good weather. It could be worse. We got a little breeze.
It's not too bad.
And there's a little shade, so like I'm not complaining. I see blue skies. It's just that I'm sweaty and I don't know how my makeup looks, but yeah.
It looks good.
We didn't do any videos. We literally just did photos. So
Photos, yeah. Well,
yeah, nobody did. Nobody wanted a music video.
It's okay.
Didn't you want a music video? What about a quick? All right, so the plan is eat lunch, go back to the Airbnb, and then cool down, and then we're gonna go on a.
So we made it to the Ayutthaya area over here in Ancient City. So if you don't want to go to Ayutthaya, the actual old capital of Thailand, then you can come over here. Great thing, we brought some umbrellas. It is crazy hot. Everyone's dripping sweat. The weather is on and off, so it's clear blue skies, and then it gets cloudy overcast. But other than that, it's actually really nice over here. There's not too many people. Basically around over here where the Grand Palace is, Ayutthaya area of the ancient city part, that's where most of the tourists are going to be at. But everywhere else, it's actually completely empty. You have it all to yourself. That's all we're saying. And here they are. As hot as they are, they're just taking photos.
Oh wow! Look at Elena. She left us. She wanted to be with poor.
She wants to be with Pete.
So we just finished eating, and now we're heading to the BTS.
Everyone is looking tired, but we still got a long day today, right, Elena?
Yep.
What do we have to do later?
Go on a cruise.
Go on a cruise. Yes, we're gonna take the whole family on that princess cruise, Chao Phraya princess cruise.
This weather is really good, guys. Y'all should come during rainy season. I mean, we got really lucky that we didn't like experience rain yet, but then it has been raining. It's just that we got lucky because every time we go out, it doesn't rain.